When work waits on IT, the cost shows up fast. Client files stay locked, healthcare logins fail, dispatch gets interrupted, and school staff wait for support. Randall Martinez, Chief Operations Officer at IT Pros Management, puts it clearly. Start with the workflow that is failing, then decide whether it needs daily ownership, a scoped fix, or both working together. That is the core difference between managed services and professional services. Managed services cover ongoing IT needs. Think help desk tickets, monitoring, patching, user support, device troubleshooting, routine maintenance, Microsoft 365 access issues, and daily security operations. This model fits recurring work that needs ownership, response expectations, and steady accountability. Professional services handle scoped work with a defined result. That includes migrations, implementations, network upgrades, structured cabling, compliance readiness, assessments, Microsoft configuration improvements, cloud migrations, and network redesigns. This model fits planned projects that need timing, scope, approvals, and executive reporting. Many organizations need both. A healthcare office may need daily secure access support, while also planning larger compliance readiness work. A law firm may need access controls updated when staff leave, plus documentation for audits. A logistics team may need help desk support to prevent dispatch delays while also improving infrastructure. The right decision starts with the business trigger. Is the issue growth, risk, downtime, audit pressure, staff frustration, or outdated systems? Separate recurring needs from temporary projects. Define success in business terms such as fewer ticket delays, smoother onboarding, stronger access control, or cleaner reporting. Then confirm how updates, approvals, reporting, and escalations should happen. Before speaking with an IT partner, gather ticket history, upcoming projects, compliance deadlines, user pain points, and Microsoft environment concerns. That information helps turn IT needs into priorities, timelines, roadmaps, and financial clarity. If delayed file access, login issues, dispatch interruptions, or staff support delays are forcing work to wait on IT, read the full article to choose the right support model for your operations, and add this to your Spotify playlist.